Good evening, Rajath.
Good evening, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Myself, Neenu. I am just from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Give an
Yes.
introduction about yourself, Rajath.
Okay, fine. I'm Rajath. So I finished my graduation from SJBIT Institute of Technology. Then after that, in the same college, I did my MTech. That in structural engineering. So presently, I've finished my CMTI course at CMTI Jayanagar. So
Okay, how
coming
do
to
you
my
come to know about CMTI?
So I got to know from CMTI from my my teacher at SJBIT college, HNK, the Narendra Kumar sir. So he was very much guiding to every like students. So he was the one who referred me to CMTI, HNK sir from SJBIT.
Okay. So apart from your college studies, no, you was pursuing the certified course of advanced construction management. How
Yes, ma'am.
different it was to you?
See, ma'am, the thing is, doing practical is different. Learning theoretically is different. But both practical and theoretical, you will be getting in CMT. That's what, in simple words.
Okay. So you have pursued the advanced construction course, no? What are things you have learned in it? You can brief out it, right?
Okay. I'll go with sequence itself. First one was reading of drawings. It's very important for any student. So any person who is coming to construction, he has to know the reading of drawings. Then was the methodology of constructions. Then we had we had many site visits simultaneously going with studies, which helped us so much during our course, 3 months course. So yeah, I had visited like Niman's Annex, Victoria Annex. These were all hospital based construction projects going on. So we were put into live projects. So combining with studies and knowing the practical things was very much helpful in learning about the constructions.
Okay, you went for the site visit all, no? What was the site experience? So it was
Yeah, as I
useful to you?
Yes, well, it was completely useful actually, because the project to project, the construction plan varies, the drawing varies, the methodology varies, the things, whatever you see will be something new. So learning was where the two of the site visits which I've done was very helpful in learning the practical aspects and knowing the coordination between the project, so project manager, or maybe the in staffs. Like you have various departments. You have MEP departments. You have this fire department. You have the construction department. You have the project manager. So everything has to coordinate with each other to like finish the project on the time, on the given time. So that's what I have learned from the project site.
So how was our CMTI trainers? So how comfortable you was with them?
Actually, like cracking the interview, they were the one. Actually, they are the supporting what I would say like the backbone, because they were guiding me throughout the course. Any doubts, they would sit with me, like not with me, any individual student. They'll be guiding where are you going wrong and what should be made right, so that you can easily get placed. And even this like teaching part also, it was like everything was neatly organized, that each student will be like just by imagining things can be learned, like practical things can be learned. That's how the way they were teaching.
Okay, how did you crack the interview? So how many rounds were there?
I'm cracking the interview. Actually, it was in Badra. So the first day they had called us for the interview. There we had assessment. So assessment was categorized like first we had the written assessment. We had to go with the QS, that is quantity survey. Then we had to take the rate analysis. Then we had to do the bar bending schedules for the given drawings. Later on, it was one-to-one interview with the vice president of the company. So finally, I got placed. Like I got to know that by evening, I got placed.
Okay. So how much you like your CMTI app? You have used it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, initially when I got into CMTM, the first thing what I did was the installing of that CMTA app. So the thing you don't require like everything is put in an like productive and organized manner, that you get the news, you get the IS code books, and you can refer to the whatever you've missed in classes can be learned through CMTI app. And even the course, if you want any course to be learned, like self learning course, like for online students, it will be very helpful in learning because it's neatly explained with very like important points that can be easily understood. That's how I use my CMTI app.
Okay, how was our CMTI staff's entire coordination? So, did they guide you properly, or how comfortable you was with the staffs and other things?
Yeah, coordinating with staff went very well actually. The first person after coming to CM to meet was the staffs itself. So I met Aruna ma'am, then Monica ma'am, Meghana ma'am, then Rekha ma'am. So they were all coordinating very well. So I said that's the reason. That is also one of fine reason that I was easily. But before getting into the CMTA, I was a bit in dilemma, like whether which course to choose or at what field should I like take up for my further work. So these were all the people who helped me in getting this place.
Okay, would you like to refer CMTI to your friends?
Yeah, definitely. I would be referring my friends the CFDI for the course.
Okay, so what is Rajath's final point of view for upcoming students who want to pursue CACM course or your juniors? What do you want to tell Rajat?
The thing is, not like you don't have to go completely with theory, become complete bookish. So you start imagining things, go visit sites. Even if you don't know the people in the site, just tell that you are an engineer. You just want to know the practical things. They are ready to actually teach you. What is a thing? What are all the things they are doing? So try to visit multiple sites even during your studies. I don't say after you get into course or finishing your like 4 years of engineering, you have to visit. That's not the type you see. See, weekend, Saturday, Sundays, you will be free. So you can make a 1 hour or 2 hours of your time to spend at site. So you can learn many practical things. I think practical knowledge should be more than the theoretical. That's what I suggest upcoming my juniors.
Thank you so much, Rajat, for the
Yeah.
wonderful feedback. All the best for your career. Thank you, Rajat.
Thank you.